Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to let you know that something nice has happened for a change here in the UK, and that's specifically DroneAuthority has reopened its doors. Now, DroneAuthority has been around for a long time, but those of you like me who used to buy things from them were disappointed when it kind of wound down, stock availability became a bit sparse, and it kind of ground to a halt at the start of this year. However, it was sold and somebody bought it at the end of summer, and they have been spending literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of pounds on stocking it up, and they have just opened the website. So if you were looking at it this morning, you'd have seen this kind of screen. However, if you're looking at it now, it's now open and available to peruse. Just be aware that not everything that are about to sell is currently listed on the website. They're doing their best to try and get everything on there. It seems to me that all the things that they ordered are coming in dribs and drabs. So they have crates of technology to get in there. Now, hopefully they're going to stock all the things that we are interested in as hobbyists. They did hit me up and ask me for advice, so I did give them some advice on the things that I personally would like to see. So they are working to make sure that they have all of the consumables and all of the things that we as hobbyists need. And they're also offering fast shipping via the post office, so if you're desperate for something, you should be able to get your hands on it relatively quickly. So if you used to look at DroneAuthority and you were a bit sad that you couldn't get anything from it anymore, you don't have to be sad as of today, because DroneAuthority is now open and it has much more stock than ever before. Behind the website, it is probably one of the largest warehouses behind a website like this for the hobby. So all the parts for this multi-rotor came from DroneAuthority. I was lucky enough to kind of have a bit of a test with them to make sure everything was working in terms of the shop and stuff, and this is what I've built. I'm actually going to be sharing the videos. This is going to be the Quadcopter Building for Beginners 2023 series. I haven't done one for a while. It's a SpeedyBee frame, SpeedyBee flight controller, T-motor motors and props, and a walk snail system on here as well. And it was a really fun thing to do. But it does mean now we have an alternative place to go to if you want parts, if you want them to be in stock, and if you want to get your mitts on them pretty quickly. Again, go and check it out, but do be aware that over the next week or two, they will be adding lots of additional product as they get it unpacked, get it all sorted, and get it on the website. So if you are looking for something specific and it isn't there when you go and have a look today, just bookmark it and go and have a look in a couple of days' time. I'm very excited that we have another store that we can go and buy things from. I'm very excited that there's the level of stock behind it that there currently is. Things like the walk snail goggles, for example, are on there, which are pretty much sold out everywhere else. So if you have been thinking of getting yourself a little Christmas present or a present for somebody else for this Christmas, then I'd definitely jump on there and get it while it's in stock. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.